Ever wondered what cryptocurrency is and how it works? Welcome to the world of digital money, where the future of transactions unfolds. A world where cryptography and digital technology blend to craft a new form of currency, cryptocurrency. Picture this, a form of money that exists solely in the virtual realm, intangible and yet as real as the device you're using right now. That's cryptocurrency for you. It's digital or virtual and relies heavily on cryptography. Now, you may ask, what is cryptography? Well, in simple terms, it's a method of protecting information by transforming it into an unreadable format. Only those who possess a special key can decipher it. This is what makes cryptocurrency transactions secure. But what sets cryptocurrency apart from the traditional currencies we're so familiar with? The answer is decentralization. Traditional or fiat currencies, such as the dollar or euro, are issued and regulated by central authorities like governments or central banks. They have the power to influence the value of the currency and regulate its supply. Cryptocurrencies, on the other hand, operate on decentralized networks based on a technology called blockchain. They are not controlled by any government, bank, or any single entity. Instead, they are governed by a network of computers or nodes spread across the globe. These nodes validate and record transactions, making the system transparent and resistant to fraud. The birth of Bitcoin in 2009 marked the dawn of this digital currency era. Created by an anonymous figure or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto, Bitcoin introduced us to the concept of a decentralized digital currency. Today, Bitcoin remains the most well-known and valuable cryptocurrency. But Bitcoin isn't alone in this vast digital ocean. Other cryptocurrencies like Ethereum and Ripple have emerged, each with unique features and uses. Ethereum brought us programmable and self-executing agreements called smart contracts, while Ripple was designed for fast and low-cost cross-border payments. Cryptocurrencies have revolutionized the way we view and handle money, but how do they work? Stay tuned as we delve deeper into the world of cryptocurrency in our next segment. The secret sauce behind cryptocurrencies is blockchain technology. Picture a ledger. Now, instead of being held by a single entity, imagine that ledger being spread across numerous computers worldwide. That's the basic concept of a blockchain. It's a distributed, tamper-proof digital ledger that records all transactions in a chronological order. Each transaction is stored in a block. These blocks are then linked together to form a chain, hence the name blockchain. What makes it tamper-proof? Well, each block contains a unique code called a hash. This hash is like a digital fingerprint. It's unique to the block and its contents. When a block is added to the chain, its hash becomes part of the next block. Therefore, if someone tries to tamper with a block, its hash will change and the subsequent blocks will become invalid because they no longer contain the correct hash of the previous block. This feature ensures the integrity and security of the data stored on the blockchain. It's virtually impossible to change a block without altering every subsequent block in the chain. And considering that the blockchain is distributed across a network of computers, also known as nodes, altering all these blocks would require an enormous amount of computational power, making it unfeasible. Moreover, blockchains are transparent. All the transactions on the blockchain are visible to everyone on the network. This transparency ensures that everyone can verify the transactions and blocks, adding another layer of security. But it's not just about security. This technology also promotes decentralization. Unlike traditional systems where a single authority controls the ledger, in a blockchain, everyone on the network participates in the process. This means that no single entity has control over the entire network, promoting a democratic system of operation. In essence, blockchain is the revolutionary technology that underpins cryptocurrencies. It's the reason why they can operate securely, transparently, and without the need for a central authority. Blockchain technology provides the backbone for cryptocurrencies to operate securely and transparently. You've probably heard of Bitcoin, but it's just the tip of the iceberg. A mysterious figure, or perhaps a group, known by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto, brought Bitcoin into existence in 2009. This marked the birth of decentralized digital currency, a groundbreaking concept that has since evolved into an entire ecosystem of cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin, with its gold-like properties, has often been referred to as digital gold. It has no physical form, and its value depends on supply and demand dynamics. It's a currency that's not controlled by any government or corporation. It's a currency that's powered by the people. But the world of cryptocurrencies is not limited to Bitcoin. Since Bitcoin's inception, thousands of alternative cryptocurrencies, often referred to as altcoins, have been developed, each with its own unique features and purposes. Take Ethereum, for instance. Launched in 2015, Ethereum is more than just a cryptocurrency. It's a platform that enables developers to build and deploy smart contracts and decentralized applications. These smart contracts are self-executing contracts with the terms of the agreement directly written into code. They automatically execute transactions when predetermined conditions are met, eliminating the need for a middleman. Then there's Ripple, or XRP, another major player in the crypto space. Unlike Bitcoin or Ethereum, Ripple was not designed to be a standalone cryptocurrency. Instead, it was developed as a digital payment protocol for fast, direct transfer of money between two parties. It's particularly effective for cross-border transactions, providing a speedy and low-cost alternative to traditional banking systems. These are just a few examples of the diverse world of cryptocurrencies. Each one has its unique use cases, and while some may fade away, others could potentially revolutionize various industries, from finance to logistics and beyond. While Bitcoin paved the way, many other cryptocurrencies have emerged, each with their unique offerings. The world of cryptocurrency, while still in its infancy, holds immense potential to reshape the financial landscape as we know it. Ever wondered how new cryptocurrencies are created? It's through a process called mining. Now, when you hear mining, you might be picturing a pickaxe and a hard hat. But cryptocurrency mining is a whole different ballgame. It's a digital process involving powerful computers, complex algorithms, and a whole lot of electricity. Let's break it down. Cryptocurrency mining is essentially a twofold process. The first part involves verifying transactions to secure the cryptocurrency network. The second part is the creation of new cryptocurrency units, or coins. Here's how it works. Miners, as they're called, use their computers to solve complex mathematical puzzles. These puzzles are essentially problems that help verify transactions and secure them against fraud. The complexity of these puzzles requires a significant amount of computational power. That's why you'll often hear of mining farms, where hundreds or even thousands of computers are set up to mine cryptocurrencies. Now, you might be wondering what's in it for the miners. Why would they spend all this energy and resources on solving these puzzles? The answer is simple: rewards. The first miner who solves the puzzle gets to add a new block of transactions to the blockchain. This miner is then rewarded with newly created cryptocurrency units and transaction fees. Think of it as a race. Numerous miners are competing against each other to solve the puzzle first and claim the rewards. And these rewards can be substantial, especially considering the value of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. But it's not all a gold rush. Mining requires a high initial investment for powerful hardware and ongoing costs for electricity. Plus, as more miners join the network, the difficulty of the puzzles increases, making it harder to mine new coins. Despite these challenges, mining plays a crucial role in the world of cryptocurrencies. It not only helps in creating new coins, but also secures the network and verifies transactions, making the entire system trustworthy and reliable. Mining is the engine that drives the creation of new cryptocurrency units and the verification of transactions. Cryptocurrencies can offer many benefits, but they also come with their own set of challenges. Let's delve into it. On the bright side, cryptocurrencies allow for borderless transactions. This means no matter where you are in the world, you can send and receive money instantly without the need for a middleman. Moreover, the fees associated with these transactions are typically much lower than traditional banking systems. Cryptocurrencies also have the potential to provide financial inclusion for those in underserved regions who may not have access to traditional banking services. However, there's always a flip side to the coin. Cryptocurrencies face regulatory uncertainties. As digital currencies are relatively new, the laws governing them are still evolving. Additionally, the value of cryptocurrencies is highly volatile. Their prices can skyrocket or plummet overnight, making them a risky investment. Furthermore, the pseudonymous nature of cryptocurrencies can potentially be used for illegal activities. Cryptocurrencies have the potential to reshape the financial landscape, but they must first overcome these challenges. Cryptocurrency is more than just a buzzword. It's a revolutionary concept. We've embarked on a fascinating journey today, delving into the world of digital currencies, their workings, and their potential to revolutionize the financial landscape. We've unraveled the blockchain, a secure and transparent technology that forms the backbone of these currencies. We've explored Bitcoin, the pioneer, Ethereum with its smart contracts, and Ripple, facilitating speedy cross-border transactions. We've even peeked into the complex process of mining, where new cryptocurrency units are born. And of course, we've weighed the pros and cons, balancing the freedom and possibilities they offer against the challenges they face. In short, cryptocurrencies are not just digital money. They represent a shift in how we perceive and use money, enabling secure, decentralized transactions and offering a new perspective on financial inclusivity. As we move further into the digital age, cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology will continue to evolve and shape our financial future.